Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, I'll show you how to get dark mode in TikTok. In this full video, I'll show you the one way to enable dark mode on TikTok. So watch this full video to enable dark theme on your TikTok. TikTok's dark mode support is now you can turn on from the app. But to do this, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. So now, first of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone and then go to search, and here search for TikTok. For dark mode to appear on TikTok, you need update it. So now from here, you can update it to latest version. From this trick, you will be able to separately enable the dark mode on the application. Pretty much every app now has one, and TikTok is also now jumping on the dark mode, with separate base for low light situations now available to all users. Dark mode options lessen the impacts of blue light exposure, which can in some cases cause your brain to stop producing melatonin and also disrupt your sleep cycle. That then leads to other health impacts. So aside from giving your app a new look, dark modes actually do serve an important health purpose. But TikTok's variation does also look kind of cool. As you can see in this video, the new dark theme option will either seek to match your device settings when you have dark mode activated, or you will be able to manually switch to dark mode in your app settings. After updated with latest version, open the TikTok app in your iPhone. Now go to your profile, tap on three dots. Next tap on dark mode option. In dark mode option, select the dark theme. And here, as you can see that your TikTok app is in dark mode. If you will change your mind, then repeat the same process and select light theme. And you can see the app is now in light mode. Again repeat the same process and select the dark theme to enable dark mode on your TikTok.